Stop by and take a look at the 2023 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: privacy glass, black door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, compass, head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.